All right, guys, just wanted to give you an update on my Amazon ads that I've been running for my latest book, Melissa Douglas and the No Bullies Allowed Club. If you can see that, I don't know. Something probably going on with the camera. Yeah. Anyway. um, so I think today is going to be my final day. I feel like I'm losing more money than it's worth. And it could be just because I don't have everything situated like it's supposed to be. But I feel as though if you want to make money as far as from ads, from speaking from the perspective of Amazon, I would think they would make it more user friendly. And I'm not really willing to pay somebody off of Fiverr or Upwork to run my Amazon ads. I've done something like that before with YouTube, and you'll get a lot of impressions, but most of the time it's from like bots or overseas, and they're not purchasing anything. So I didn't want to even chance that. Some of you can. I mean, your success story could be totally different from mine, but just what I'm seeing now, I spent $67.04 running two campaigns. One of them I paused because it wasn't really worth it at that time. That was the one that Amazon that was automatically performing, and then my manual one was actually getting clicks, and that was the one that actually made the sale. This is the sale that I made, that one sale. Keep in mind that's not profit, that's the actual sale, so you got to take into account of Amazon paying for the shipping and they're paying the print. So me dropping my book down to $10.97, I'm probably only making profit of about $2 per book. Now if you got a mass following our community already, that $2.50 or $2 will start adding up. But for me, I don't think it's really worth it right now. We can look into it a little bit more just so you can see some of the data. This was from that one sale that I made the other day. Clicks, as you can see, 20 clicks. I don't know if that's good or bad, depending on reading the data, but 20 clicks with only one purchase. I don't know. I don't think that's that good. But anyway, I digress. As you can see, as before, well, they're not even showing the negative keywords that I removed. My budgeting, no budgeting rules, campaign settings. Supposed to, I might just let it run for 2 more days, but I'm gonna tweak a few things to see if I can get a sale from before then. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. Do I think it's worth it as of right now? No, I don't. I probably would have did better if I would have put everything on my own website, which I could still do that, and then create a landing page and force traffic that way. But we're here now, so yep, just wanted to give you an update. Like I said, my journey and your journey could be totally different. You could already have a community built around you, so your success story is totally different. So don't let this deter you from moving forward or not moving forward with Amazon ads. I've heard a lot of people have a success stories, but keep in mind when you do hear those success stories, find out when or how long they've already had their community. A lot of people are not telling that side of the story, like they've already built a community. They can send that traffic over there. It's not necessarily that Amazon is providing the traffic. With them pushing their traffic over in that direction, it's going to, of course, help their book rank higher. And even with that being said, just because your book is ranked high doesn't mean that you're going to get sales. That just means you're on the front page. Like right now, my book is on the front page. And then it could be also other things. It could be my book cover, even though I personally think my book cover is great. And the feedback that I got was great, but who's to say that it's not aesthetically pleasing the way it's showing up on Amazon? Because to me, I notice a lot of book covers, when I click on them personally, they start to look blurry, but I don't know if it's just my computer or what. But it could be that. It could be my book blurb. It could be anything. So I just don't want this to deter anyone that's getting ready to move forward with Amazon ads. There are success stories out there, but I just like being transparent. Have a good one. Peace.